Hello guys, and this is Sarabesh back again in a new video. And guys, and today I'm going to tell you what is exactly inside an iPhone. And there have a lot of questions arises that iPhone is very difficult to open, and many people don't exactly know what's inside an iPhone. And this video is exactly answer to that question. But I have a broken iPhone right now, so I have broken this iPhone for this video, and I've taken off the screen so you tend to see this thing. So I've taken off the screen, so as you can see. Let me focusing on, yeah guys, I think you can see it, right? Yeah, this is an exact board of an iPhone. And this is, I forgot to say about the iPhone's model, and this is iPhone 5Z. Yeah, you can see this is an iPhone 5Z, and this thing is little much expensive as I bought this for 40,000 in that period. And this is the thing exactly inside an iPhone. So I'm going to take off this battery. So I've taken off this battery. So this is, yeah, as you can see the battery, this is 3.8 volt battery with 5.92. Yeah, as you can see, this is a line battery. And that's it about this battery. And this is a modified battery, so this is not the real battery of this iPhone. As my battery life was over, I just replaced my battery. So this is a replaced battery. And you can see the interior structure of an iPhone. And here, wait a second, here this is a SIM holder right here. This is the SIM holder. And talking about the processor, this thing have a 7 processor. Sorry, this thing have a 5 processor, I think so. And the processor is situated likely right here, I think. And here is the processor, and this is in that camera. So you can see the camera right here. Yeah guys, you can see the camera here. And it's likely to be expensive thing. And we have the 3.5 mm jack right here, as you can see here. So this thing is the 3.5 jack, and it occupies much space. So only the iPhone just pulled off this 3.5 mm jack. And in iPhone 10 and such new models, we don't have the 3.5 mm jack. We just have a lightning port right here. And guys, that's so easy. And we have just got into an iPhone 5C, and you can see the full ports of this iPhone 5C. And yeah, but I have broken the screen of this iPhone so that you can make sure whether my time is consumed, and as well as you can see the full ports. And guys, that's all about what's inside an iPhone. So thank you for your pleasure time, and I will catch you on my next video about something about our technology right there. And I'll catch you on my next video. So guys, signing off, this is Sarabesh. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it and comment it to your friends and share who are using an iPhone, as well as if you are interested to see an iPhone, share it to your friends. And guys, signing off, this is Sarabesh.